everyone, it's Prunella. Today's tutorial is about scarves. Scarves can be a great accessory to use. Well, today I'm going to show you on how to use a scarf. For this tutorial, you need a scarf like this, which is square. What you want to do is take one corner of your scarf, fold it diagonally, and make a triangle of your scarf. I think you see a triangle right now. So just pull it over. First step, really simple and easy, is it? Okay, second one is you can just crunch it up a bit near your neck. Okay, now the third one is just tie a knot at the end over here, and voila! You can use this scarf like this as you want. You can wear this with a t-shirt, or you can wear this style with any spaghetti kind of dress, like a strap dress, or a tube dress, or a spaghetti top, or a tube top, or a tank top. It's great. Another thing I want to do, I want to fold my scarf because the triangle is way too long. So I'm going to fold my scarf into, make it like a roll, sort of. Put it around your neck as such. Throw one corner on the other. That's how you can style it. Really easy. Now, take both the corners, make one longer than the other, like so. Take it around 1 and 2. That's how you go one scarf. You can see it looks gorgeous and beautiful. You're going to let the triangle come out a bit, and it's going to show like a cute little neck piece. Now if you want, you can just loosen this up a bit, and you can wear it as such. The next step is tighten it a bit. Take one corner, put it through under the loop of the scarf, the other corner over the loop, and you give it a little twist. The next step, tighten your scarf, put it in a tie, the next step, just take it around and tuck it in at the back. Put it in a tie and tuck it in at the back. And now bring out the triangle part and just, oops. You can always adjust that thing. So, you got a cute little choker for yourself. You can wear this over any formal shirt or any high neck shirt or low neck t-shirt or whatever you want. This is one style. Now what you want to do is turn it a little to the left or right or whatever, any side you're comfortable at. Take the two corners, put it in a tie. You can either leave it like that, it's going to stay in the side of your neck, or you can just tie it into a bow. A cute little bow. Adjust it as per your comfort. Bring your scarf to your neck and just leave it as it is. Or you could just take one corner, make one corner shorter than the other, take one corner, throw it just like that. You can style any outfit like this. Other thing is, take one corner, wrap it around your neck, and you can tighten it as well. Just make it more like a choker, not too tight. But that's how it is. Take this, rub it around, put it this way, this one, rub it around, and put it in. This way you create a choker for yourself. Pretty easy and cool. You can wear it with any low neck top, or this style is best to wear with any formal shirt. You can wear it with any high collar formal shirt that you go to office with, or anything at all. The other style is, now that we have a triangle, it's just too big for the next step that I'm going to show you. So I'm going to fold this triangle into. Now what I'm going to do is take both the corners, make them meet. This creates a loop over here. Put it over your neck, bring it close, put both the corners through the loop of the scarf, and you create yourself a cute little tie. You can tighten it if you want, wear it like that, or just bring it 3/4 down and same thing. Take one corner, put it from the inside of the scarf of the loop, pull it towards the outside, and the other corner, twist it, turn it from the outside of the loop and bring it towards inside. That's how you create a cute little double, I don't know what you call it, but whatever, it's just a cute little style. That's how you can wear it. Now we're going to try this with a twisty. So you're going to twist your scarf as such. Should be looking like this. Well, it should be both the corners. It should look something like this after you're twisting your scarf. What you want to do is bring both the ends together, let them meet, and it's just going to wrap on its own. So you just want to give it a little more twist. Put the scarf around your neck, put the corners into the tiny little loop, and just let it be. You've got yourself a cute little necklace. A necklace scarf, yeah. A necklace scarf. The next step, what you want to do is remove the scarf, put it around your neck, tie, bring the two ends, tie a small little knot, take this, twist it, bring it over your neck, and there you go. You've got a nice cute little look. You can style this with anything you want. A t-shirt, a dress, or a tube dress, or any outfit you want. With the same thing, with the two ends, just tie a knot. Open up the knot, take it on the side, tie it on the side, number one. You can make that into a one-sided bow as such, and just, that's how it should look. Okay, few steps are like this if you want to see so. So just loosen up the front of it a bit, and that's how you can wear your scarf also. Again, since we have this loop around our neck here already, put your hand through it, get one end over, and the other end of the scarf, put it over your loop and get it through the under area. And that's how you create a cute little design. Now, the next use of your scarf is, as it's already on a triangle, if you're carrying a handbag, something like this, you can actually put it through your handbag, loop it around one of the handles, and give it a tie. And that's how you have a cute little accessory to your handbag. Isn't that cute? So this is all for today, ladies. I hope you guys like my video. If you do, drop me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. This is for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm going to see you girls next time. Till then, adios.